I was doing some Etsy product research and noticed a pretty big trend in the Christmas niche. Now, we are nowhere near peak demand for Christmas, so we will not know just how big of a trend this will ultimately be, but I'm always willing to risk a little bit to be early. I actually talked about this in yesterday's video. Make sure you guys caught that. If you didn't, I'll link to it in the YouTube cards right here. Today's video, I want to show you this trend, all right? It is related to, I'm assuming, AI image generation, most likely Midjourney, okay? And they're creating 3D, almost embroidered looking patterns and selling them on products like phone cases. But I actually want to highlight one specific product that you can get in Printify's catalog that I think you can essentially create your own custom graphics using AI most likely and sell on this product type that I think is the perfect complement to this niche that I'm assuming is only going to grow in terms of the demand. All right, so let's close out 2023 with a bang. I'm going to show you everything you need to know in this video. Let's get to it. So here's the example that I was showing you of some of the artwork that is, in my opinion, pretty high demand already. As it relates to the Christmas and winter niche, there were a few designs in the Halloween and even Thanksgiving niche. This shop specifically, now, I mean, don't go blow up their shop and, steal all of their ideas, but they have 86 products live for sale with almost 3,000 sales, doing quite well. A few of these are definitely outselling the others, but just to show you guys what's possible, if you work on improving your prompts, the AI image generators, like I'm guessing Midjourney, but we don't know for sure, can do quite a bit with, these different, really just like almost like the style of the prompt. Like it's not just asking for a wintry tree pattern, it's asking for this embroidered knit style and, a heavy 3D effect, I would say. So you can see this shop's got a lot of really cool patterns. They're just, they've definitely been experimenting with the AI image generation quite a bit. So I decided to jump on over to MyDesigns actually and use their Dream AI. And I was actually working with my private community. We were tinkering for quite a bit and we got a really nice output that you can see here. So I took that output and moved it over to another AI pattern generator called Repper. I uploaded it, and as you can see, there's a lot of different patterns to choose from. I chose my favorite, and then I moved on over to Printify. By the way, I've done a previous video on Repper before it was even live. I think it was in beta. I can link to that in the YouTube cards here, and I'll put my link for Repper in the description in case you want to follow along with what we're doing here, because patterns really do have a lot of products that essentially need patterns to look good. Some of those I'm going to show you right now from Printify's catalog. So we mentioned that Etsy shop is killing it, specifically primarily with phone cases. Of course, Printify's got a ton of different phone cases ranging from, as low as like $7 or $6.90, depending on the brand, the type of case, and the phone that you're selling the case for, okay? But there is just a ton of different phone cases available in Printify, okay? So once you have a good winning pattern, make it available on all of the logical products, right? And do a little research too in terms of product types that you should be selling on, including watching my YouTube videos, wink, wink. The next one, of course, Christmas ornaments, right? We're talking about Christmas patterns, so it would make sense to sell it on a Christmas ornament. A lot of people get new phones for Christmas, so it would make sense to also do the phone cases as well. But the reason I brought you here is because don't overlook that Printify has custom gift wrapping paper, which I personally have designed and purchased for myself in the past. Don't overlook that you can sell this as well in your Etsy shop. Whether you want to enable personalization or sell custom, sell like the AI Christmas patterns that we just showed how to make. Okay. By the way, I didn't mention that the prompt for generating that image that I showed you is in my private community. All right. Everybody that was at the live meeting we had earlier today, which we do every Wednesday and every Friday, they already have it. But if you guys want that, check out my private community, also linked in the description. So in Printify, we have 4 different options when it comes to custom wrapping paper. This is the one that I used in the past. Fulfilled by Stickers and Posters is the fulfillment provider name. If you click provider info, by the way, you can see here that they offer 3 different sizes. It's really up to you what to make available in your shop. If I was selling this on Etsy, I'd most likely just only offer the 30-inch by 144-inch, because anybody who's ever wrapped presents, probably everybody watching, you don't want to run out too quickly, right? Then you'll get kind of mad. You might leave a bad review. The larger the paper that you sell, the higher the price point. So if you go with the 30-inch by 144-inch, it's going to cost $19.63 for the matte print and $22.88 for the satin print. I would probably just offer the matte print, honestly, and save a little bit of money. And of course, that is the pricing for Printify Premium members. If you haven't used Printify Premium, make sure you use code Ryan so that you get a month free. I'll also drop my Printify link at the top of the description. So again, just to recap, I'd probably offer the biggest size in the matte print, and I'd probably price it up around like $30, $35, even $40. If I just launched my listing, I'd probably price it around $30, which is not a lot of profit initially, but you can always increase the fees as you improve your rank, and the rank tends to benefit from sales, as you guys already know, hopefully. All right, so now we've got that. We've got the gift wrap. When it comes to designing it, guys, just go ahead and upload your design. So again, I took what was a static square image that looked like about this, uploaded it to Repr, chose one of the pattern styling available. I believe this one behind me is called Ladder. So anybody that ends up using Repr, go ahead and use the ladder style if you want to follow along exactly, but there's a couple other ones that look really good as well. And I should mention, if you're following my advice, when you export from Repr, you can set any dimensions you need. In this case, if you want to sell the largest paper, set the size to custom and then type in 6100 by 28,800, export at those dimensions, and then upload to Printify after selecting the 30-inch by 144-inch, okay? And that's in the top right corner. Boom, you upload your paper, you can hit preview, and they will generate additional images showing like lifestyle applications for you that of course you can consider adding to your Etsy product listing, as you know, it tends to increase conversion rate when people don't just see the product, but they see the real life application of that product and how it can improve, you know, whatever intent they have, in this case, wrapping gifts. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Definitely get out there, try, see if you can create some cool images for this trend of, you know, 3D, almost embroidered knit style Christmas patterns. There's more products you can, of course, list them for sale on in the Printify catalog, as it's massive. If you have a bestseller, by the way, definitely list it on more products. More is better when you know you have a winner. Guys, thank you for watching this though. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, let the YouTube algorithm know so they show it to more people, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new Etsy print on demand shop review.